back to the Wacky Cat movement. We're at the Doubletree in Hilton, Syracuse, New York, and we're going to the lobby before doing the room tour. Okay, we're at the Doubletree in Carrier Circle in East Syracuse, New York, and then we are room 103. And then this is this coming in the room. So I'll shut the door. All right, this is the storage closet right by the door. It has an iron in here, ironing board, some hangers, double doors closed, and then this is the bathroom. That's what it looks like. Mirror and tub. Okay. All right. Coming out. Look like this is an adjourning room. So when you come in here, you have a standing mirror and a little cabinet here. I guess it holds the ice bucket. And well, let's open this up. We'll see what it is together. Okay. In here is a safe and then a refrigerator. So you can see what you can hold in here when you come. Looks like you can hold some canned beverages in here. And it's a standard small refrigerator. And then there's some drawers. Let's see the depth of the drawers. And that one kind of swings out and caught me off guard. Swings out. So both of these do the swinging out. And the one down here is, okay. It's a one long pull-out drawer system. Okay, let me close it. All right, my TV is there. And then you have a table. A desk. Well, not a table, but a desk. So you can plug up your laptop. Let's see what the power looks like. Okay, your lamp. You have there regular US outlet plugs. And that's how you turn on the light. Picture frame over the desk. And then you have a chair over in the corner. It looks comfortable, a little chase lounge type thing. Like a chair with an ottoman and then a little table next to it. Lamp behind it. Now you have the bed area. The bed looks nice and comfortable. Let's pat it. I'll give it the bed pat. Nice and thick. I like the way the beds are tucked. I'm a bed tuck girl. I love when the beds are tucked that way. That means they really care about your mattress. I like that. The pillows are nice and fluffy. I'm okay with that. That's beautiful. All right, so let's see what's on the side of here. Your phone, and then the lamp. I like the lamp. The lamp comes with power as well down here at the base, US plug down here. You're looking for outlets. You got one over by the chair and one outlet by the bed here in case you have some type of sleep apnea machine or you want to charge your phones to things. So it's a nice room. And we got another table over here on this side by the door with the alarm clock and lamp and another outlet here. And there is an outlet over here as well in case you need some more power. All right, so we got storage under here and two drawers. If I pull on that, that's the depth of the drawer. Okay, so the whole room looks pretty good. It's pretty decent. And the air feels nice. So what I'm going to do is, this is the first floor, okay, the room 103. The room over here facing the courtyard looks like this. So I opened the window. And it looks like this. And you look out here and you see the courtyard. People go out to eat, have a good evening. I can see the pool through the window over there. Yeah, that's the pool. And then they actually have a door to open. Let me see. It's probably locked, obviously. When I figure out how to open it, I'm gonna go outside. But actually, you can see it through the window. It is just a little patio section. So you got a chair here. Yeah, only one chair over here. And you just go out there and sit and enjoy your coffee. So not too bad. I love it. It's a nice little room. Okay. All right, enjoy. We'll get the lobby in a few. We'll just take a walk around there and see how that looks, okay? This is the Carrier Circle, East Syracuse, Doubletree, Hilton. Okay, one more thing. Let's catch up with this Cafe Express. I didn't go over the coffee. There is coffee in the room. It's Cafe Express model, and we got brew, stop, and brew. Hey, it's simple enough, right? So you put the cup under there. They give you some individually wrapped cups. I'm one of those type of people that I don't like to make the coffee. I like something simple. You put it under there, and then you just plug and play. All right, so they give you your creamers here, your sugar packets. That's tea, decaffeinated, and this is the coffee, right? Decaffeinated coffee. All right, so green's decaffeinated, and the orange is Brazil standard. Your cups, your stirs, your sleeves for the coffee cup. All right, so that's your little coffee area. All right, and that's it. Right, this is the breakfast area. You got the toast machine, you got your jams, and you have different foods. I'm not going to touch the lids or anything, but you got breakfast, potatoes. What is this over here? That's a pancake. No label. Scrambled eggs, of course. You got your sausage. You got your oatmeal. You got apricots, raisins, and cherries. Ooh, okay, delicious. Look at that muffin. Very nice. Very nice. Fruits. You got some granola for the yogurt. Some Nutri-Greens bars. Oh, you got cereal. All right. Over here is kind of like an omelet topping area where you make. Yeah, you have the salsa, sorted peppers, broccoli, spinach. Okay, a bunch of stuff. A hot section for cooking. A la carte. Juices and fruit selection over here. And yogurt.